Hey everyone! Today we're taking a quick look at the upcoming Oppo K15 Pro, a smartphone that brings some seriously impressive specs, especially in performance, display, and battery. On paper, this phone looks like it's built for both everyday users and tech enthusiasts. Let's break it down. Starting from the design, the Oppo K15 Pro comes with a premium feel, featuring a glass front and aluminum frame. It also has IP68 and IP69 certification, meaning it's resistant to dust and even high-pressure water. On the front, there's a 6.59-inch AMOLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate, delivering super smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. With high brightness levels, it should also stay visible even under bright sunlight. For performance, this phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Super, built on an efficient 4nm process. It's paired with 12 GB RAM and up to 112 GB of storage, which is more than enough for heavy apps, gaming, and multitasking. Whether you're switching between apps or playing demanding games, the experience should feel fast and responsive. Moving to the camera, the Oppo K15 Pro is equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, supported by an ultra-wide lens for wider shots. It can record videos up to 4K at 60 FPS, along with gyro EIS for added stability, making it suitable for both casual shooting and content creation. One of the biggest highlights here is the battery. The phone packs a massive 7,500 mAh battery, which is significantly larger than most smartphones today. It also supports 80-watt fast charging, along with additional charging technologies, so you can get back to full power quickly. This combination makes it ideal for heavy users who need long-lasting performance throughout the day. Overall, the Oppo K15 Pro offers a strong combination of performance, display quality, and outstanding battery life. It's a well-balanced device that looks ready to handle both daily use and more demanding tasks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.